Rutherford scattering experiment. Ernst Rutherford carried out experiment in which charged particles were shot through thin foils of metals like platinum and gold. The charged particles used were the alpha particles having mass 4 times that of a hydrogen atom and positive charge twice the magnitude of the charge of an electron. A thin foil of metal was expected to contain a few layers of atoms. The motion of charged particles incident on the foil was expected to get influenced in different ways depending upon distribution of positive and negative charges and mass within the atoms. On the basis of Thomson's model of atom, it was speculated that on passing through the metal foil, the charged particles would get deflected through a small angle. 1. Most of the space inside the atom is hollow or empty, which allows the particles to pass straight through without being deflected. 2. There is some positive center present in the atom which deflects or repels the particles like charges repel each other. This positively charged heavy body in the center is known as the nucleus. 3. The total volume occupied by a nucleus is very small as compared to the total volume of the atom, as very few particles are repelled or deflected by a wider angle.